This is basic setup of DNC-HD1 camera, completely sealed, waterproof, and 50-meter cable. This waterproof housing developed for depth of 100 meters. On top of this housing you can see 5 push buttons. Through these push buttons you can control a completely full menu of the internal camera. To hold camera we provide a few versions of mounting. 2 holes from the top and 3 holes from the bottom. Thread of the holes 1/4-20. Yeah, you can use standard screw to make something to hold camera, or you can use ball mount to hold. I would like to show you how to connect camera and 50-meter SDI cable. This camera produced 3G SDI signal, and also to feed this camera we using combo cable. As you see, it's DNC connector and power connector. To connect both this cable and camera cable consists waterproof sealed connection. Let's remove protective cap. This protective cap, it's developed when you don't use the camera. You can terminate end of this connector with metal protective cap, and it's you can use this underwater cable with this protective cap without any problem. Now we connect camera and 50-meter cable. Now I would like to show how to connect on the top of the surface end of this cable. As I described, 3G SDI signal going through the cable, through this waterproof connection, and through the 50 meters to the surface. On top of the surface you have standard DNC connector and power jack. To send power to the camera we need a power source. You can use any power source from 12 volts to 24 volts. This is, let's say, 24 volts power source. Just take a power source, plug. Let's take this end and plug to voltage. Now let's take a SDI monitor. This is SDI input, it's a battery inside. Plug SDI output connector to the monitor, and let's turn monitor on. Now you can see image. As I described from the beginning, this cable produced 3G SDI signal. In case if you need HDMI signal, we can provide converter SDI to HDMI. It works very easy. Plug HDMI input, take power source, plug, let's take HDMI cable. This is right now, this gizmo convert SDI to HDMI. Let's plug HDMI connector. Let's take monitor, plug to HDMI input. And now you can see image. And finally, from SDI signal we convert to HDMI, and this HDMI signal you can send to a recorder or to laptop or to any other HDMI devices. 5 push buttons allowed you to control completely a menu of the camera, and it's work very easy. Press and now you have a list of functions and just go up or down.